Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my frozen pear lemonade featuring this product, which is called Kitchen Mama. It's an electric can opener. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys and show you guys close up exactly what it looks like. Alright, so this is how it looks before I took it out the box, and I'm just going to remove it just like this. Now you do need 4 AA batteries, so you add your batteries right to the back, and then you're just going to put it right on top of your can, press the button, and it's going to go. When I read the instructions, I was like, no way, it's not possible. Like, there's no way you just hit the button, walk away like nothing's going on. And literally it's going while you're just minding your business. It's just going. You go get a drink, girl. You could go get something else. And look at this, y'all. Like, I can't. The whole entire thing comes right off. No effort. So yeah. So I love this product because let's get into the tea. We're gonna get into the real tea. All of my life since Jamaica, I've been using knives to open my cans because that's how I was taught. And to this day, I still don't know how to use a manual can opener. Anybody that's been in my life, they'll tell you, I don't use it, I don't know how to use it. And then the electric one is so big and bulky. And what I noticed too, when you use the electric one, you know, the tabletop one, the can top falls into your food, as well as the manual. It falls down into your food if you don't, you know. But with this, it takes the whole entire thing off, which I was impressed by. I loved it. I really loved that about it. And this is super, super easy to use. A child can use it. This is how easy it is to use. And so I highly recommend it. My code is Misha10, so you can check that out in my description box, as well as the link to purchase this item. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to get into the lemonade. I have sugar, ice, lemons, my pear halves over there, which is the pear can I just opened. And you're going to add your ice to your blender just like this. Some sugar, you can use honey or agave. My fresh mint, and of course my lemons. I use 3 whole lemons in this recipe because I like it nice and tart. I also use 3 halves of the pear down in here. You can definitely use whatever canned fruit you prefer or fresh fruit. As you guys know, I make frozen drinks all the time. A tad bit of water, and then we're gonna blend away, and that's it. So easy and simple to make, and anyone can make this. So this is what the drink looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed the product. Don't forget to check it out in my link below, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Make sure you guys come back, and I love you guys. Bye.